All right, hey guys, my name is Daniel. Jeez, that's not over. Yeah, right, you can edit it out. Hey guys, my name is Daniel, respiratory therapist at Lofta. I'm here today to talk about cleaning, maintenance of your CPAP supplies. We'll first talk about the cushion. You want to use a damp cloth and warm water. You can simply use paper towel, wipe down the insides of the cushion, around it, just to get rid of the oil and dirt that our face produces. Over time, it'll soften up the cushion, and that's going to result in leaks. So be sure to do that daily or every other day. You can also use some wipes, some CPAP wipes. And in terms of replacing it, you want to replace this every 2 to 3 months or as needed. Again, if you start noticing leaks in your therapy, it's probably due to the mask seal, in which case replace it, all right? We've got your heated tube or slimline tube. So with the tube, you may see other videos or read about sort of submerging this in your sink or a bucket. I'd advise against that, especially with the heated tube, since you've got that sensor here. So what I like to do is just put a couple dabs of mild soap, like Dawn or Palmolive, in the tube. You swish it around with warm water, run more water through to get rid of the soapy water, and then let it just sort of hang dry on your shower head, all right? And if you do that in the morning, that should be well and dry at night. Next thing is a water chamber. This also, I'd advise weekly. And of course, with any of these, you can pick up the frequency. There's gonna be no issue with that. But at the bare minimum, with this here, once a week. So this AirSense 11 water chamber is actually dishwasher safe in the top rack. But in terms of manually cleaning it, just wash it like you do your dishes. So again, mild soap, warm water, and then you can just let it dry on your rack. The next thing I'll talk about is a filter. You're not actually going to do anything with the filter, and that's located in the back of your machine. Little rectangle here, all right? Looks the same on both sides. You just want to take a peek at it. If it's dirty, if it's grimy, obviously replace it on an as-needed basis. A good replacement schedule is 1 to 3 months, all right? Get in the good habit of, again, just taking a peek at that filter once a week. Did I miss anything?